What's going on, guys? This your girl Easy Breezy, and today you already know what's going on. We have a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Eayon Hair, for sending us this lace front wig. The curl pattern is water wave. I will put all the information in the description below. Modeling this look today is my girl Alex. Okay, make sure y'all go ahead and follow her on Instagram right now.
My old dermatologist has been giving out plastic surgery and been doing fillers and all types of shit she ain't supposed to be doing. And she killed 2 people and changed her name. She killed 2 people because she's a dermatologist and she didn't have no anesthesiologist. She didn't have like none of the shit she was supposed to have. And I think she ended up killing like 2 more people and then they caught her ass.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Is this a lady that you knew?
She was my dermatologist.
must admit, this is the first time I've ever done my baby hairs like this on anybody, but being a hairstylist and a creative, I always think of new things and come up with random new ways of doing things, so I hope you guys enjoyed this technique. Let me tell y'all something. Alex is rocking the hell out of this wig, okay? Once again, thank you so much, Eayon Hair, for this water wave wig. If you guys are interested in purchasing this exact product, I will put all the information below.